Hello friends, let us continue solving the model paper of Class 10 Max Term 1 paper. In this video, we will be solving Section B. For Section A and Section C, separate videos have been uploaded and the links are provided in the description box. Kindly do check them out. In Section B, there are 20 questions, each of 1 mark. And during the exam, you need to attempt only 16 out of these 20 questions. However, in this video, let's solve all the 20 questions. Come on, let's begin. Question number 21. In the given figure, AD is 3 cm, BD is 4 cm, CB is 12 cm, then sine theta equals. Question number 22. A race track is in the form of a circular ring whose outer and inner circumferences are 396 meter and 352 meter respectively. The width of the track is. So like we did in the previous video, kindly pause the video, solve the two sums and keep your answers ready. Okay, let's see the solution for question number 21. 21, the answer is option B, 5 by 13. And 22, the answer is option C, 7 meter. Hope you got both the answers right. Let me solve 21 first for you. So ABD is a right angle triangle. We can apply Pythagoras theorem to find AB. AB is the hypotenuse in this triangle ABD. So it will be equal to root of 3 square plus 4 square, which will give you 5. So AB we found it out as 5. Now AC is the hypotenuse in right angle triangle ABC. So AC will be square root of 12 square, which is the base, plus the height, which is 5 square, and this will give you 13. So AC is 13. We are asked to find sine theta. Theta is the angle here. So sine theta will be opposite side by the hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB, which is 5, and hypotenuse is 13. So it is 5 by 13 and option B is the correct answer. Let's move on to question number 22. A racetrack is in the form of a circular ring. There are two circles. Let the inner radius be small r and the outer radius be capital R. We are asked to find the width of the track. So width of the track will be the bigger radius minus the smaller radius. Now how to find the bigger and the smaller radius? We are given the circumferences of both the circles. From there we can find the capital and the small r. So for the bigger circle, 2 pi r, the circumference is 396. Solving this, we will get r as 396 by 2 pi, and it will be 63. In a similar manner, for the smaller circle, the circumference 2 pi r is equal to 352. So R we will get it as 56. Width will be 63 minus 56, which is 7 meter. So width of the track is 7 meter. Option C is the correct answer. Let's move on to question 23 and 24. Question number 23. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus c and alpha minus beta is 3, then c is equal to. 24th question. The least number which, when divided by 18, 24, 30, and 42, will leave in each case the same remainder 1 would be. Hope you have solved both of them. The answer for 23rd question is option C, 4. And for 24th question, the answer is option C, 2521. So first, let's solve 23rd question.
Polynomial given is x square minus 5x plus c. If alpha and beta are the roots, what is the sum of the roots? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, which is minus 5 by 1. Minus of minus 5 will become plus 5 by 1, so it is 5. And the product of the roots alpha beta is c by a. Here a is 1 and the constant is c itself, so the product will be c. Now it's also given in the question that alpha minus beta is 3. So we have two equations, alpha plus beta is 5 and alpha minus beta is 3, from which we can get the value of alpha as 4. If alpha is 4, beta will be 1. So we are asked to find C. You know that alpha beta is C. So C will be 4 into 1, 4. Answer is option C, 4. Next, the least number which when divided by 18, 24, 30 and 42 will leave in each case the same remainder 1. So if we find the LCM of these four numbers, we will get the least number which when divided by each of them will leave a remainder 0. So LCM, the remainder will be 0. So if we need a remainder of LCM, if we need a remainder of 1, then we will find the LCM and add 1 to it. We will get remainder as 1. So the answer will be LCM of these numbers plus 1. We have 18, 24, 30 and 42. So let's first find the LCM by prime factorizing them. 18 is 2 into 3 square. 24 can be written as 2 cube into 3. 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. So once we write down the prime factors, LCM can be found as the product of highest power of all the factors. Highest power of all the factors. What are the factors here? We have 2, 3, 5 and 7. We should choose the highest power. 2's highest power is 3 here. 3 has a highest power of 2 here, so it's 3 square into 5 and 7. The highest power is just 1. So the LCM will be 2 cube into 3 square into 5 into 7, which will be 8 into 9 into 5 into 7, and the LCM will be 2520. So the answer that we need is the LCM plus 1 because it should leave a remainder of 1. So the answer will be 2521. Option C is the correct answer.
25th question. The coordinates of the point P which divides the joining of points A 2, 5 and B 3, 3, minus 5 in the ratio 2 is to 3 are. So there are 2 points and we need to find the point P coordinates which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2 is to 3. 26th question is from trigonometry. Sin A plus cosecant A is equal to 2. Then sin square A plus cos square A is equal to. For 25, the correct answer is B, 12 by 5 and 1. And for 26th question, the correct answer is option A, 2. Solving 25th question. Point A's coordinates is 2 and 5, and point B's coordinate is 3 and minus 5. Now there is a line segment AB. Let point P divide it in the ratio 2 is to 3. Normally we denote it as M1 is to M2. The first point is denoted as x1, y1, and the second point is x2, y2. So when we know the ratio, the point that divides it is given by the formula m2 x1 plus m1 x2 divided by m1 plus m2. Similarly, the y coordinate is m2 y1 plus m1 y2 by m1 plus m2. So if we substitute the values, we will get m2 x1 will be 6 plus m1 into x2 will also be 6 divided by 2 plus 3, 5. M2 y1 is 5 3s are 15 plus m1 y2 is 2 into minus 5, so it's minus 10 by 5, which implies P's coordinates are 6 plus 6, 12 by 5, comma 15 minus 10 will be 5, 5 by 5 will be 1. So option B, 12 by 5, comma 1 is the answer. Now, moving on to question number 26, it's given sine A plus cosecant A is 2. What is the relation between sine and cosec? Sine and cosec are reciprocal of each other. So sine A is 1 by cosecant A. So this will be useful to find the value of sine square A cos plus cos square A. We'll just square this relation given here. Sine A plus cosecant A is given as 2. Let's square both the sides. A plus B the whole square. Formula will be A square plus 2AB plus B square. And the right hand side we have 2 square, which is 4. Now sine square plus cosecant square, let's keep it as such. Cosec square A plus sine into cosecant A. We know that cosecant A is 1 by sine A, or sine A is 1 by cosecant A. So these two are reciprocal of each other. So they'll get simplified as 1. So plus 2 is equal to 4. We need sine square A plus cosecant square A will be 4 minus 2, 2. So answer is option A, 2. Hope you got both the answers correct. Let's move on. 27th question. A man goes 15 meters due west and then 8 meters due north. How far is he from the starting point? 4 different numbers are given. Question number 28. If in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, then. For 27, the correct answer is 17 meters, option B. And for 28, the correct option is A, AD by AB equal to AE by AC. 27th sum, it's a simple one. We need to just apply Pythagoras theorem. A man goes 15 meters due west. So let him start from this point. He is going towards west, 15 meters in west, and then he turns and walks towards north. How much distance? 8 meters. So he starts from here and he stops here. How far is E from the starting point? So this is our starting point and this is our ending point. The distance will be the hypotenuse. Since west and north are perpendicular to each other, this will be 90 degrees. Just apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is 15 square plus 8 square, solving which you will get 17 meters. So option B, 17 is the correct answer. Question number 28. In triangle ABC, let's have a rough diagram so that it will be easier for us. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. So BC is the base. So let's have DE, both are parallel. So when we have such a scenario where DE is parallel to BC, we can always prove that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. How? A is a common angle in both the triangles. Since these two lines are parallel, angle ADE will be equal to ABC. So you have two corresponding angles to be equal in these two triangles. So by AA, that is angle criterion, we can prove the similarity. So once the triangles are similar, the corresponding pairs of sides will be proportional. So from that we can say AD by AB will be equal to AE by AC. So that is option A. AD by AB is AE by AC. 29th question. If a pair of linear equations is consistent, then the lines will be always coincident, parallel, always intersecting, or coincident. Question number 30. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial f of x equal to x square minus p into x plus 2 minus q, then alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1 is equal to. Answer for 29th question is option D and 30th question is option B. If a pair of linear equations is consistent, consistent means it has either one or infinitely many solutions. So when the pair of linear equations has no solution, then it is called inconsistent. So whenever it has one or infinitely many solutions, we call them as consistent pair. So if there is one solution, then the lines will intersect at only one point. And if there are infinitely many solutions, the lines will be coincident. This is also called as dependent lines. So each point is a solution. That is why we get infinitely many solutions. If each point is a solution, then it is lying in both the lines. So the lines are coincident. So it can have either one or many infinitely many solutions. So it can be intersecting or coincident. So option D will be the correct answer. When there is no solution, the lines will be parallel. So the other two cases, we call it as consistent. Now, 30th question. We are given a polynomial f of x. If you closely observe, it's not in the standard form. What is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c. Here the constant is not separated from the x term. If we open this bracket, we will get minus px minus 2p. Minus 2p will also be a constant. So first let's express this in the standard form. x square minus bx minus 2p minus q. So this can even be written as x square minus bx minus 2p plus q. This entire term will be the constant c, minus p is b and a is 1. Now we need to find the value of alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1. If we know the linear equation, if we know the polynomial, sorry, and alpha and beta are the zeros, so what will be the sum of the zeros? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, which will be p, and alpha beta product of the roots is c by a, which will be minus 2p plus q. We are required to find alpha plus 1 into, sorry, beta plus 1. Just multiply the two terms, alpha beta plus beta plus 1. Alpha beta is nothing but minus 2p plus q. Alpha plus beta is the sum of the roots, which is p plus 1. So we can conclude minus 2p plus p will be minus p minus q plus 1, which can be written in the form 1 minus p minus q. So option B is the correct answer.
Question number 31. If P minus 2, 5 and Q 3, 2 are 2 points, the coordinates of the point are on PQ such that PR is equal to 3QRR. Then question number 32. LCM and HCF of two non-zero positive numbers are equal. Then the numbers must be prime, coprime, composite or equal. Answer for 31 is option B, 7 by 4 and 11 by 4. Answer for 32 is D, equal. So let's solve 31 here. Point P's coordinate is minus 2, 5 and point Q's coordinate is 3, 2. So we have a line segment PQ. We need to find a point R on this segment such that PR is equal to 3QR. So what will be the ratio PR by QR? It will be 3 by 1, which we generally assume as M is to N. We need to find the coordinates of these points. We generally consider the first point as x1, y1 and second point as x2, y2. So the formula for the coordinates is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So if we substitute the values, we'll get 9 minus 2 divided by 4 and 6 plus 5 divided by 4. So R will be 7 by 4 and 11 by 4. So option R is option B, 7 by 4, 11 by 4 is the correct answer. Then in 32nd question, it's given that the LCM and HCF of the two numbers are equal. So the LCM and HCF will be equal only when the numbers are equal. So option D, numbers are equal, is the correct answer. We can even confirm this. We know that product of LCM into HCF is the product of the numbers itself. Let A and B be the numbers. If LCM and HCF are equal, then let LCM be equal to HCF is equal to say N, and let A and B all. Question number 33. The area of the shaded region in the given figure is if AC is 24 centimeter, BC is 10. So this is 10 and this is 24. And O is the center of the circle. Take pi as 3.14. Then 34th question. If in an equilateral triangle the length of the median is root 3 centimeter, then the length of the side of equilateral triangle is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter. Answer for 33rd is option B, 145.33 centimeter square. And for 34, the answer is option B, 2 centimeter. In this triangle, in this circle, AB is the diameter. So angle C will be 90 degrees. Why? Because angle in a semicircle will always be 90 degrees. So AB is the diameter and C is a point on the semicircle. So we can say that this angle is 90 degrees. So we know the base and the height. What will be AB, which is hypotenuse? AB will be square root of 10 square plus 24 square, which will be square root of 676, which is 26. So the diameter AB is 26. So the radius of the circle will be 13 centimeter, half of 26. So we need to find the area of the shaded region. Shaded region is nothing but semicircle's area minus the triangle. What is the area of the semicircle? It is pi r square by 2 minus area of the triangle will be half into base into height. We know the radius of the triangle is 13. So what is pi r square by 2? 3.14 into 13 into 13 by 2 minus base of the triangle is 10 and height of the triangle is AC, which is 24. So solving this, you will get 265.33 minus 120 and the final answer will be 145.33 centimeter square. So answer option B is the answer for this 33rd question. 34th sum. In an equilateral triangle, the median's length is root 3 centimeter. Let's first draw a rough diagram. Let A, B, C be the equilateral triangle. AD is the median. Median will join the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So D is the midpoint. So we can note down that BD is equal to DC because AD is the median. Length of the median is given as root 3. We need to find the side of the equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, we can say that the median will also be the perpendicular. So we can mark this angle as 90 degrees. So this will also be 90 degrees. Also, we know that in an equilateral triangle, each angle will be 60 degrees. So we can say B is 60 degrees. So we have a right angle triangle. We know angle B and we also know the opposite side AD. So tan 60 will be AD by BD, that is tan B. Tan B is AD by BD, opposite side by adjacent side, and B is nothing but 60 degrees. So tan 60 we know it is root 3 is equal to AD is also given as root 3 by BD, which implies BD is 1. BD is 1 means DC will also be 1 because D is midpoint. So BC will be BD plus DC, that is 2 centimeter. Next, 35th sum. If triangle ABC is right angled at C, then the value of sine of A plus B is 36. If one of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial of the form x square plus ax plus b is the negative of the other, then we need to choose one of the given 4 options. Answer for 35 is option B 1, and option for 36th is option A has no linear term and constant term is negative. So in 35th question, ABC is a right angle triangle with right angle at C. A, B, C, C is right angle. We need to find the value of sine of A plus B. So what will be the sum of the 3 angles in a triangle? 180. So what will be A plus B? 180 minus C. C we know it is 90 degree. So A plus B will be 180 minus 90, which is 90. So sine of A plus B is asked. Substitute A plus B as 90. Sine 90 is 1. So answer will be option B 1. In 36th question, for this quadratic polynomial, one zero is the negative of the other. So let the two roots be alpha and beta. It is given that alpha is minus beta. So what will be the sum of the roots? It will be alpha plus beta, which can be written as minus b plus beta. So sum will be 0. And what will be the product? Alpha beta will be minus beta into beta, so it will be minus beta square. So any quadratic polynomial is of the form x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product. Here the sum is itself 0, so the x term will be 0, and we have product as minus b square, so it will be x square minus beta square. So there is no linear term, x term is not there, and the constant term is negative. So option A is the correct answer. 37. The area of the largest circle that can be drawn inside a given rectangle of length A centimeter and breadth B centimeter is 38. If x is given as 28 plus 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 so on till 28, and y is equal to 17 plus 1 into 2 into 3 so on till 17, then which of the following is true? For question 37, the correct answer is option C, and for 38, the correct answer is option D. Let's solve 37. We need to find the area of the largest circle that can be drawn inside a rectangle of A and B length and diameter, breadth. So this is the diagram. We have a rectangle where length is A and breadth is B. We need to draw a circle inside the rectangle. the biggest circle will be the one which has the diameter as the breadth. Breadth is shorter than the length, it is given here. A is greater than B, so B is the shorter dimension. So we will choose B to be the diameter of the circle, because try drawing a circle with A as diameter, A is the length. If we draw a circle with A as diameter, it will be very much outside the rectangle. We need the largest circle that can be drawn inside. So the circle will lie inside only if we choose B, which is the shorter dimension, breadth as the diameter. So if the diameter is B, radius will be B by 2. Area is pi r square. So we have pi into B by 2 the whole square. So pi B square by 4. Option is C, 1 by 4 pi B square. In 38th sum, x is given as 28 plus 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 16 into 28. Let's write it in a different form. Let's take 28 out of the brackets. We'll have 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 16. Now for both the terms 28 is common. So this is x. From this we can say that x is composite. Similarly, y can also be written as, by pulling out 17 as common, you will get 17 into. So from these two statements, x and y are composite. We can conclude that x and y are composite. So if x and y are composite, the sum of x and y or the difference between x and y will also be composite. So we can conclude that x minus y is composite. So option D is the correct answer. Then 39th sum, the values of y for which the distance between the points p y comma 3 and q 9 comma 10 is 10 minus y units. Then 40th sum, if cos 30 tan 30 is equal to sine alpha and alpha is less than 90, find the value of tan 2 alpha. Answer for 39 is option C, y equal to minus 15. And answer for 40th sum is root 3. So in 39th sum, there are 2 points. Y comma 3 is the coordinate. 9 comma 10 is the coordinate. The distance between the 2 points is given as 10 minus y units, and we need to find the value of y. By distance formula, the distance square pq square is 9 minus y the whole square plus 10 minus 3 the whole square. PQ, the distance is given as 10 minus y. So we can write 10 minus y the whole square is equal to 81 minus 18y plus y square plus 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 square is 49. So we get value of y as minus 15. For 40th sum, it's given cos of 30 degrees into tan of 30 degrees is equal to sine alpha. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 and tan of 30 is 1 by root 3. Remember, you need to know the values of certain angles that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 by heart for at least sine, cos and tan. For the remaining, you can derive it if you know sine, cos and tan. Sine alpha is 1 by 2. We know that sine of 30 degrees is 1 by 2. So from these two, we can conclude that alpha is 30 degrees. We need to find tan of 2 alpha, which is tan of 2 into 30, 60 degrees, and tan 60 is root 3. So option B is the correct answer. With this, we have completed solving section B. Hope you practiced along with me and solved all the sums. For section A and section C, the links are provided in the description box. Please check them. And for practicing more sums chapter wise, do visit the channel and check the playlist. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and also like, share and comment on it. Have a great day.